Yo. Hey, today is one of them days where I'm going to try to make a little magic. I am in my area that I call my shop. This is my trusty little press that I use to make all of my shirts, hoodies, and apparel all together. Today, I'm going to do a quick walkthrough on what it takes to make a shirt similar to what I have on. Even guys wear sneakers on the 7th day. Not exactly this one, but something similar to it. So I'm going to start off with this white sweatshirt, plain white sweatshirt. First thing you got to do is you got to get the moisture out. So that's the first thing. So I'm going to set it on there. I'm going to get the moisture out. And the way I do that is put it on the press about 5 seconds. Not too many seconds, just 5. Come up, moisture's gone. Next thing I have is my trusty little vinyl super color, blue and fuchsia, favorite color. All the information is located right here in the corner as far as how to set your press up, how much PSI to put on your press, how long to set it to run for. So, take it out the bag. You know me, gotta always take it out the bag. Alright. I got a little trick that I do to try to make sure that I'm centered. So I would take the ends and I would kind of bend them a little bit just so I know where the center is. And I would set it up, make sure that it's centered. 3 fingers down is the usual trick that we do. 3 fingers down from the top, collar. Set this up. Give me a second real quick. Slide that on in there. Got my trusty press. Give it a little ride. Let it down. I'm paying attention to that, y'all. That was a slip. Let it go for about 15 seconds. 320 degrees, 15 seconds. Let it go. Wait on the beep. As soon as the beep comes, that quick. Done. Over with. Bam. There go my beep. Boom. Up. Pull it out. While it's hot, quick peel. It's gone. Got a piece of Teflon that I use right here on the floor. Put my Teflon over it to seal the deal. Real quick, 5 seconds to make sure everything is good. Bam. Deal is sealed. That simple, that quick, minus the little mistakes. There you have it. Another happy customer. Not a place, but a feeling. All right. As always, Sneaker Heaven. I'm Sean. I'm out.